Okay, so in example 1, Tristan lost her credit card. She notified her creditor before the card was used. However, later in the day, someone found the card and charged $700 worth of groceries on it. How much is Tristan responsible for paying? She is not responsible for paying anything because she reported it lost right away, and therefore all purchases made after that point are covered. So that's something very important, that if you're sure you've lost it and you can't find it anywhere, it's not like in your house, then you definitely should report it right away so that you're not responsible. Credit card companies issue a monthly statement. An APR must be converted into a monthly percentage rate for that statement. So if an APR is 21.6%, what is the monthly periodic rate? We're going to take that 21.6 and just divide it by 12. And that's how we get the MPR. So taking the APR and dividing it by 12 gets us the MPR. So you're going to go into Desmos. Open up a new tab and do 21.6 divided by 12. And we're going to get 1.8%. Now this one, we don't move the decimal. You're just going to use the 1.8% as it is. If the APR is 15.99, what's the MPR? 15.99 divided by 12, 1.33%. And then what if your APR was 9.7%? What is your MPR? So 9.7 divided by 12. Is 0.81. And those are your MPRs and how you calculate them. Rebecca did not pay last month's credit card bill in full. Below is a list of Rebecca's daily balances for her last billing cycle. Find Rebecca's average daily balance. So before we get started on this chart, we're going to need to know how many days were in Rebecca's billing cycle. So 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, 16 plus 9 is 25, 25 plus 5 is 30. So make sure you count that. Sometimes there's 30 or 31 days in the billing cycle. We're going to need that to take the average. All right, so for 7 days, she owed $456.11. So we're going to multiply 7 times $456.11. And then that total is going to go over here. Next, she owed for 3 days $1177.6. And that's going to give us our total over here. Then for 6 days, she owed $990. Then for 9 days, she owed $21.15 and 15 cents. And then for 5 days, she owed $23.09 and 13 cents. So here we go calculating. 7 times $456.11 is $31.92 and 77 cents. 3 times 77.60. So I'm getting $35.32 and 80 cents. Next is 6 times 990 and $59.40 and 48 cents. Next is 9 times 21.15, and we get 19.036 and 35 cents. And then 5 times 23.09, and we get 11.545 and 65 cents. So I am going to double check all my numbers here. 7 times 4, 56.11. I got those numbers good. 31.92.77. 3 times 11, 77.60. 35.32 and 80 cents. 6 times 9, 90.08. 59.40 and 48 cents. 9 times 21, 15 and 15 cents. 19.03.635. 5 times 23.09. Came out to 11,545.65. Okay, so I like all my numbers in the table. So to get her average daily balance, we now need to total that up and divide by the number of days, which we just added up to 30. This is how we take an average. We add it all up and then we divide by the number. So we're going to add 11,545 and 65 cents plus 19,036 and 35 cents plus 59.40 and 48 cents plus 35, 32 and 80 cents plus 31.92 and 77 cents. So we're getting a total of 43,248 and 5 cents divided by 30 days in her billing cycle. So 43,248 and 05 divided by 30, and we get 14.41 and 60 cents. Okay, example 4, we use the answer from example 3. So we always want to double check these numbers. But so Rebecca from example 3 pays a finance charge on her average daily balance and her APR is 18%. What is her finance charge for this billing cycle? So we need the monthly rate. So to get the MPR, we take 18 and divide it by 12. 18 divided by 12 gives us a 1.5%. And then now we plug into the formula for finance charge. We take that 1.5 and we divide it by 100. Actually, I'll just do this in Desmos and then copy and paste the work in. So 1.5 divided by 100 times the average daily balance, which we just got from the last problem. And so $21.62 is her finance charge for this billing cycle. And we're done with notes. What'd you think?